My lord, in the previous WP, your lordships have ordered to
You have
implement.
filed review petition.
Yes, my lord. In the previous WP, your lordships have ordered to.
आपने लॉ नहीं करनी
No, 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 my lord.
है? हम आपको रास्ता दे रहे थे, क्लियर कर रहे थे लॉ का.
No, my lord. The issue is, my lord, your lordships have ordered to implement TWS reservation.
उसमें पता क्या रहता है आपको? आपके फादर साहब हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा आर्ग्यू कर लेते हैं.
Yes, my lord.
ठीक है, जो इंग्लिश वाले मैटर होंगे वो आप लेंगे, तो दोनों का अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा ना.
Yes, my lord.
बताइए.
My lord, in the previous WP, your lordships
हमने
have.
आपका रास्ता क्लियर किया था कम से कम.
Yes, my lord. My lord, in the WP, your lordships have ordered to implement TWS reservation in private medical colleges within 1 year. But insofar I was concerned, no benefit was given to me. Thereafter, an SLP was filed in the Supreme Court, and it was listed before Justice Gavai, and he was of the opinion that at this stage nothing can be done for this session. So go for next session, as there is a judgment of the same bench of the Supreme Court, which your lordships have also quoted by pronouncing the judgment. In that case, 7 seats were kept vacant for the petitioner. My lord, the only issue is that, and the only question which needs to be answered is that whether I am entitled.
Where is the judgment of the order of the Supreme Court?
Order of Supreme Court is in page number 40 of the review petition, my lord. Liberty was given to by review before High Court.
Yes, please.
My lord, there is, so my lord, this was the liberty. In the impugned judgment, my lord, page 36 of the review petition, the impugned judgment of WP is there. Your lordships have quoted the judgment of Ram Naresh Sahu. My lord, in that case, there were 7 petitioners who challenged the counseling process of 2023 on 2024. Now, the final judgment in that case was delivered on 20th August, my lord. The issue was, in that case, on 20th of August, prior to that day, no such provision was there that reserved category student would be allowed under unreserved category in NEET MBBS UG counseling. But on 20th of August, this was ordered, and the benefit was given to those who were affected in 2023. In my case, the provision of EWS reservation is there from last 6 years, which was not implemented. And your lordships have ordered to implement EWS reservation within 1 year. So, my lord, on placing similar reliance on that case, I am also entitled to get admission in the next year. Because in that case, no provision was there prior to that day that reserved category student would be allowed under unreserved category. The provision came that day, and the benefit was given to those affected in 2023. In my case, provision is there from last 6 years, which was not implemented. So, my lord, I am only relying on doctrine of parity that if both the cases are similar, I am also entitled to get benefit in the next year for admission. In that judgment, my lord, the last para is the respondents are directed to admit the appearance herein in the next academic session 24-25 for MBBS course against the seats reserved for URGS category. In this case, my lord, it may be ordered against EWS category.
Review petition. It was very awkward.
Not even seat distribution was not mentioned.
Sorry?
The issue of seat distribution, and there is a clause which reaches the
Yes, we have-
50% ceiling limit of SC/ST reservation. It is also
A third we have considered and we are of the same view. Now you can take again chance if you are able to get.
okay. Okay, let's move.
Next one.
Figure number 30.